Okay, next step. So what I want to do is to keep that arrangement as my template. Okay, I could have gone into design and selected one of the design ones here, but I want to do it, customize it to exactly what I want, and it's parts of a computer. So all I'm going to do now is just to duplicate that slide. So just new slide and duplicate, and I'll do that 10 times because that'll give me enough slides to work with. There's probably a keyboard shortcut I can do here, but I'm just going to do this quite quickly. And then I've already got text on there which I can just adjust for each new slide that I've got to do, and I can start getting into the content of my PowerPoint. So just save that. Let's call it parts of a computer. And put it in the right place. I'll just pop it in there for the time being. And I'm right to go.